Welcome back. This is gonna be quick. I made this last night. Oh, dang tight. Made this last night because the last one I made sold same day. Which is grateful. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for that. Oh, I need another heart mold. Okay, there we go. Got green with some black speckles in there. And oh, let's see if this one's ready. Oh, it's still warm and bendy. Okay, let me put that there. This should be, yeah, this one's hard. Oh, okay, so we got some holes. Dang, because I did something different with this, so we got some holes in here, so I'm gonna have to fill those. So this one's not going on the table. Let's see if this one's ready. This one feels a little bendy too, but I think she might be all right. Yeah, we got some silver and blue. Got one bubble right there, okay, got one of those. And let's see. Yeah, this one looks like it's ready too. Oh, so the twins are ready. Got, well, not twins, but you know, we got the silver rim joint going on there. Yeah. Oh, and this was from, well, this is kind of from my resin workshop. Part of it is what my students did, because sometimes I do use like the extra to make something. I started it with, ooh, this is pretty. I started it with this, and then the back part is the colors that they chose. Everybody wanted to use purple and pink, or pink in general, but one person used purple, and the others, or I mean, one person used blue, the others were pink. But I'm obsessed with this part. I think I might do some more like this. New trend, who's this? Ooh, I forgot I did a new vagine. Ooh. I put some glitter so it kind of looks like stubble. All right, and is this ready? What's the worst that can happen? Oh, this is, I'm gonna need new molds. Jesus, that one just tear. I'm glad it tore today and not when someone else did it, because actually both of those heart molds were used in the workshop last night. Well, not last night, a couple days ago, and they unmolded them last night. So I did this one. Jesus, you see it's like tearing there. This one I tear over upon that side there. See, this I'll be using my nails. Actually, let me see if I could just pull it. Oh, okay, that one came up. Tension on the other side. There we go. All right, see, there we go. Nice little silver coaster. It's still a little bendy. Got resin on it. Yeah, I definitely need to go order some new white names, because I got a workshop next week. I need these. But yeah, so we got silver coaster, little octagon baby, green with black speckles, and then we got a little stubble on the cooch. We got these two with the silver rim, and this joint. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.